Alright guys, I'm here in Mackay waiting for the show tomorrow. Just thought I'd do a video or two. I'm gonna go up to the old mine and take some shots. So an interesting thing about Mackay is the mine's up ahead, and I'll get some photos of it, but these big trestles right here would carry all the mine tailings, or the mine ore down here and through a cart system. It was really cool. You know, Mackay's one of those really nice UTV-friendly towns. You can ride your UTVs right on the road. It's very friendly to the UTVs, but we also need to be very courteous as well. But when we're in town, that we drive slow, don't stir up the dust, try to turn your radios down. That's one nice thing about TheCOM is I can have my stereo go ahead and blaring in my ears, and I'm not disturbing other people. So definitely one of the benefits of having TheCOM and having that stereo sound right up inside my ears. You know, I know they're having a lot of problems down there in Moab with some of the people that are against the UTVs. Moab's a mecca for off-road and has been for years, but now it's got a lot of issues with other people trying to shut it down. It's not exactly right, but we can definitely do our part to mitigate that, make that a little bit easier on people. Dang it, they got it all blocked off. I'm not able to get up to the mine. It's huge. I wish I could get up there, but they've got it all locked off. So I'll see if I can get a photo from down below so I can show you guys. Turning around, heading the other direction. Move over. Move over. There it is, clear up on the side. It's tough to see. I'll see if I can zoom in on it. See it way up there? So what it does is it goes from there and it goes clear down into the valley. And we came up that road right there. It goes way down in the valley. Is where those other tram rails were. This one looks a little more modern. It's got some steel in it. Looks like it's still used. The railroad trestle, it's a really cool trestle that goes across the bridge. It's really nice. I'll take some photos of it. We're coming up to it. There it is, right there. A lot of cool stuff here up in Mackay. Everybody should come up here at least once. We do a lot of plug-and-play brackets. We're trying to expand what we offer as far as what machines we can plug them into, and we really strive to make it so you don't have to cut, modify, or dig into your dash. So if you wanted to take this thing out, put it in your next machine, you could, and your machine's back to stock. That's a big advantage with this smaller radio. A lot of people comment, it's like, why don't you get a bigger radio, more wattage? But how often are you more than 2 to 5 miles away from your group? I mean, honestly, think about how far 5 miles is. And this radio has a capability of 10 plus miles line of sight. We've had customers tell me they've been up to 12 to 15. I mean, we only advertise 10 plus. But obviously it can be knocked down too by trees and bushes. Well, that was fun. It's always great to get out and do a little bit of riding before a show. It has been a nice afternoon. I drove in, got in here about 3, and I've been riding ever since. So it's now about 7. It's time to go get something to eat.